Meg and Mog by Helen Nicoll and Pienkowski. Once upon a time, there was a witch called Meg. At midnight, the owl hooted 3 times and woke her up. Woo, woo, woo. She got out of bed to dress for the spell party. She put on her black stockings, her big black shoes, her long black cloak, and her tall black hat. She went down the stairs to cook breakfast. Clip, clop. In the kitchen lay her big striped cat Mog. He was fast asleep. She trod on Mog's tail. She took out of her cupboard 3 eggs, bread, cocoa, milk, a kipper, jam. She put it all in her cauldron and stirred it up. There was plenty of breakfast for everyone. At 1 o'clock, she got her broomstick, her cauldron, and a spider, and she flew up the chimney with Mog. Up in the sky, she met her friends going to the party: Bess, Jess, Tess, and Cress. They landed on a hill in the moonlight to make the spell. Each of them had brought something to put in the cauldron. This is what they put in: a frog, a beetle, a worm, a bat, and a spider. They all stirred the cauldron as they chanted their spell. Abracadabra. Frog in a bog, bat in a hat, snap, crackle, pop, and fancy that. There was a flash and a bang. Something had gone wrong. Boom. Bess, Jess, Tess, and Cress all changed into mice, and Mog chased them. I'll have to change them back next Halloween. Goodbye. The end.